Hello everyone, we are from class 10. This is Raj Pandey and this is I am Mishika, and these two are going to help me out explain today's topic, which is digestion. So now I would like to invite Krishna to explain the vasodigestive system, the mouth and the system.
First of all, we talk about mouth. Mouth performs chemical and mechanical process which is divided into three parts. First, teeth help in chewing and grinding of food. Second, tongue help in where gustatory receptor is present. Then we talk about salivary gland, which secretes salivary amylase, which convert sugar into simple sugar. Then semi-solid food goes into esophagus, which is known as bolus. Due to the peristaltic movement, food contract and relax and also push the food downward for the further process we call mishika. Now, the food from the esophagus comes to the stomach. The stomach consists gastric glands which are present at the lining of the stomach. The gastric glands secrete three enzymes. First one is pepsin, which is responsible for the digestion of protein. It only gets activated when it gets some acidic medium, which is provided by HCl. Now, the third enzyme is mucus, which protects the lining of the stomach from HCl. So, for the further explanation, I would like to invite Rashpan.
Now, I will explain small intestine. The partially digested food from stomach, which is a semi-solid food called chyme, is being released from stomach to small intestine through sphincter muscle. The small intestine is a long coiled tube. Here, there is a huge role of accessory organ, the pancreas, liver, and intestinal gland. First, intestinal gland, which converts carbohydrates into glucose, protein into amino acid, fat into fatty acid. Liver, which secretes bile juice. Bile juice helps to make the medium alkaline for pancreatic enzymes to work. Here, larger fat globule convert into smaller fat globule, which is called the emulsification of fat. Now, third one is pancreas, which secretes pancreatic juice. First is trypsin, which is a protein digesting enzyme, lipase, which is a fat digesting enzyme, pancreatic enzyme, which is a carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Now, the digestion part of small intestine is completed. The second work done by small intestine is absorption. The inner lining of small intestine has numerous finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area of small intestine for digestion. Villi is richly supplied with blood vessels, which takes the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body for utilizing energy, making of tissues, and repairing of old tissues. Now I would like to call Mishika.
Last but not the least, we have large intestine, which is also known as colon. Its first function is to absorb water, and the second function is that the unabsorbed food from the small intestine goes to the large intestine, which gets stored in the rectum and gets removed through anus.
Hope you understood well.